Good morning guys, new day is here and lunch is here again because we need lunch. It's chicken with salad again, but another salad with olives, tomatoes, yogurt. Come on.
Good morning guys, how are you today? Hopefully you've got a great day today. If not yet, hopefully you will have it after watching this video. A beautiful day outside today. It's very hot, I would say. We went out, we thought it's gonna be quite cold.
Yes, I have cold.
Everything.
Because last few days it was cold.
It was so
and now
cold.
It's hot again.
And tomorrow we are going probably for the boat trip. We decided because we have a voucher already from Christmas, I guess.
Yes, it was my present for Christmas.
Or we can sit here for some drink later on. What do you think?
Yes, I want. I don't know.
That's so many things in Prague.
Same like yesterday. In Czech it's cymbalovka.
We stop for the coffee. Cheers. This is the most expensive street in Prague. There are like stores like Gucci, Jimmy Choo. They have very expensive handbags. Lenka always wants me to buy some for her. No?
Never.
Never. And it looks good, but I think it's more expensive than my car.
Yes, I think so.
Bad luck. Another bad luck. Oh, it would be nice to ride today in this. It's Jaguar. No, Mercedes. And it's Jaguar here. Madame Tussauds War Museum. Do you wanna go in?
Yes.
Okay,
we
let's
go.
go. Okay. Charles IV. Huh? This is Joker from Batman. What is this? It's Golem. But here are only good guys. Lenin, Stalin, Khrushchev. Watch your back, there is Hitler behind you. They made sure he's inside, behind the glass. Andy Warhol, Salvador Dali, and there is also Sadek down there.
We were on
Their exhibition
2 days ago.
Some of these figurines looks quite real. This one's pretty good, guys. From Twilight. Lenka, Kučavíková, ViralBrothers, I think. This is Will Smith. And they look good, I think. Hello, hello, hello. Very good, and Justin. And here are Lady Gaga's. One Lady Gaga, second Lady Gaga. What did you buy? What did you buy?
I bought this for my sunglasses.
It's case for sunglasses, yes, nice.
It fits good.
It's show me. It's Prague. Cool. That's it. Oh, we are too late, I think. We are too late, but I don't like it when I'm not naked here. Whoa.
Candy.
Look at egg. Show them what we bought. It's giant gummy bear. So,
can I eat it? Yes?
Eat him.
So many people everywhere.
classical night Prague with a lot of drunk tourists.
Maybe to this sort of England.
Guys, we just arrived home. I gotta show you something what I found. I bought it, I don't know, a few months ago, but I still didn't open it. It should be caution. It should be slime inside. You wanna see that? Oh, it looks disgusting. I don't know what it should do. Oh my god! Oh, it looks terrible. What should I do with this? But it looks cool. Do you like slime? No.
Get it.
Oh my god. Let's go sleep.
Good night. Hit the like button.
If you like
this
slime
vlog or other vlogs. Thanks for watching. And see you tomorrow. Say something.
Good night, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everything. You are the best. Good night. We love you. Hold on. You dead? Let's go sleep.